how to play with all or any team on eFootball 25. Now on eFootball 25 you can choose to play with any team that you have. So in order to do this, all you have to do is just go to the match option here, scroll all the way to the right hand side until you see the option called exhibition. Now under exhibition, if you go to Europe, let's say, and you want to search for Premier League, which is English League right here, you'll be able to find all the teams over here. Now they don't have license, that's why the names and the logos will show like this. Similarly, you can go to Spanish League and find other clubs as such. So I can select a certain one, and over here I can select even the country. So not just the club but also the country you can select, and you can just go to any of these clubs right here and then just find out with whom you want to play. And now you can go ahead and then even configure some of the match settings from here by changing the kits and whatever else it is. Here you can see all this night, summer and so on. Then you can just hit the 2 match option right over here. So let me also go ahead and then actually show you by playing this game, as you would be able to find it. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically play with all team or any team on eFootball. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.